We're going to go over the different elements that make up a whole note. And so a few different things that we have to know. We have to know what these symbols mean to be able to read a whole note correctly. So if you see a circle with a dash through it, all that means is diameter. So that is the diameter of the whole. If you see a T with a arrow at the bottom, that symbol means depth. And so that's how deep the hole is. If we see a V symbol, that symbol means countersink. And if you see this channel shape, that symbol means counterbore. And so if we're reading a whole note, if we look at this, the diameter here of this hole is 3/8 of an inch, or 375 thousandths. And so we see that right here. This is the diameter of the hole. The depth of the hole, and so how deep is the hole, is 2 inches. And so we see that here, that the depth of the hole is 2 inches. We see that it has a counterbore of 750 thousandths. And so that counterbore depth, or excuse me, that counterbore diameter is here, the distance, the diameter. And the depth of the counterbore is 500 thousandths. And so the depth of that counterbore right here, 500 thousandths. So that's the one example of a counterbore. Here's an example of a countersink. In this case, we have a diameter of the hole of 250 thousandths. So that's right here. The depth of the hole is 2 inches and 250 thousandths. So that's the depth of our hole. The countersink in this case has a diameter of 1 inch. So it's the diameter here, and it gives us an angular dimension for the angle of that countersink. And so this angle for the countersink, this angle right here, where these two angles come and meet together, is 82 degrees. And so that's how you read a whole note.